Hey guys, Captain Keith here with MarineMax Clearwater with Captain Nick from St. Pete store. We're out here in Boca Ciega Bay, and Nick's going to run us through just some different items that give you some tips on the engine trim and trim tabs.
So everybody talks about trim, and there's a couple different angles to that. Your engine trim is very different than your trim tabs. Not all small boats will have trim tabs, but generally everything over 21, 22 feet is going to have them. So what do they do exactly? Well, first of all, on your outboard engine or your inboard engine, but for the sake of this video, we're going to be talking about outboards. If you look back there, we're trimmed all the way down. You hit the up button, which is going to be on your engine or right here at the throttles, and you're going to lift your engine up. Like so, you'll see it move. What that means exactly, well, if you're in shallow water, you can tilt your engine up a little bit. It is going to affect the ride of your boat as well. So right here, we're actually going to be in our downward position. Some of these engines, most boats are going to have a little bit of negative trim, so you're going to be shoving that bow down in the water. So watch this as I'm all the way down. I'm going to get up on plane here. Give it a little bit of throttle.